I get a lot of questions from subscribers asking me who are the dogs that make the cameo appearance in a lot of my videos. Well, this is my two dogs. This is Mia, and the other one is Molly. They're both rescue dogs. They're actually very, very, very friendly together. They don't go anywhere without being together at all times. Even when it comes to just hanging around out in the backyard, the two of them just love to be together. And of course, when they get a little bit playful, they love to play with each other. They'll run around in circles, jumping and knocking each other over and having a grand old time. You'll notice that the one dog will flip over and the other dog will bite at her, and then you'll see them reverse roles where the other dog will lay down on the ground and roll over and show her belly, so that the other dog can be the alpha. And as soon as they hear something, the two of them stop and they'll check it out to see what's going on. They go right back to playing again. These guys are like best friends. Even when it comes to taking a walk, they never go anywhere without the other. They also travel a lot with us. We do a lot of road trips, and the dogs just love going in the car to see where we're going to wind up and what adventure we're going to be going on. They know it's going to be a trip, so they just lay down and take it easy until we get to the destination, and then they'll pretty much just look around, and they just love to travel with us. And they know that whenever we go someplace, we always wind up getting some kind of a treat. And sure enough, they always get their little taste to make sure that everything is okay. And they'll just sit there and they'll wait very patiently for their turn. Let me know if you'd like me to continue posting any other pictures or any other activities with myself and my dogs, where we go and what we do. If it's something you want me to continue, let me know. If it's something you want me to discontinue, let me know. And if it's something you want me to continue, whenever I go on a road trip and I take my dogs along with me, we can actually do a little video of them at whatever location we go to, so you can see where they are and what they're doing and where we wind up. I'll put up some more pictures and some videos in the near future. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.